I ran my business for 2 years with no real planning system. I was busy every single day and somehow always behind. One afternoon, I built this planner setup, and within a month, I was working fewer hours and making more money. Weekly revenue and expense tracker. Check the numbers every week. Client task list with hard deadlines, not soft ones. A monthly goal page you review every single month. Only 3 revenue-generating tasks on your daily list. Schedule and time blocks, not a never-ending to-do list. A 5-minute end-of-day review keeps nothing falling through cracks. Log income versus expenses every single week, not monthly. Most business owners look monthly and catch problems too late. Weekly numbers let you fix problems before they become crises. Break every annual goal into 90-day chunks. One big goal per quarter, not 10 things pulling you in every direction. Review and reset every 3 months without guilt. Lead, contacted, proposal sent, closed. For columns. Never lose track of a potential sale again. A simple printed tracker beats expensive software for most small businesses. The free small business planner printable in the description has every page I just showed you. Link is below. It takes 2 minutes to download and set up. New business tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.